I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have data. Now start by confirming its structure and the hypothesis you want to test. First, make sure your samples are in contiguous columns or a single column with a group identifier. Next, choose the appropriate test: two-sample t-test for means, paired t-test for matched data, correlation for relationships, or chi-square for counts, because the formula and function differ. Once done, clean blanks and non-numeric entries, so Sheets functions return numeric results rather than error. Now you apply the built-in functions. For independent means, enter equals t. Test A2, A50, B2, B50, 2, 2 to get a two-tailed two-sample p-value. For paired data, use type 1. For categorical data, use equals KISK. Test observed range, expected range. For correlations, compute R equals correl, A2, A50, B2, B50, then convert to a p-value with the t statistic and t-dist or t-dist. 2t depending on Sheets version, because different functions expect different parameter orders and tail definitions. Finish by interpreting the p-value. If p0, 0.5 you reject the null at alpha 0, 0.5, otherwise you fail to reject. Also report direction and effect size when relevant. If results look wrong, make sure ranges match lengths, remove text or blanks, and confirm you used the correct tails and test type. If you see #div/0 or hash value, recheck zeros and non-numeric cells once fixed. Recalculate to ensure the p-value reflects your clean data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.